To register as a bursar on Greynote, a school admin sends an invitation to you. Find this invitation in your email and click on it. You will be redirected to a page to input your email address and a one-time password that comes with the invitation email. Do not share this OTP with anyone. Once your email has been verified, you are prompted to set up your account. Provide a passport-style profile picture, not more than 5 megabytes in size. Fill out the form with your details: email address, name, phone number, and a strong password. Click on the Continue button to finish the process. Now you can access the Bursar app dashboard and begin using its features. School management made easy.